In this video, I'm going to talk about and reveal what I believe is the best AI stock trading and investment advisory service. I've been a member of this service since 2022, so I've got lots of experience with it. And for me, it has just really helped me navigate the new AI industry and give me all the research and decent AI picks that allow me to basically grow my money over the short, medium term. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. So if you're all good, let's get into the video. So what is my number one AI stock picking service? It is a service called the Near Future Report. It is run by a guy called Jeff Brown, who's got a long history in basically tech stocks. I do believe he's been an advisor, he's been a money manager in the tech industry. So yeah, in my opinion, he's one of the very best when it comes to tech stocks, and in particularly AI stocks. Like I said, I first joined this service in 2022, and it's just really helped me to navigate not only the tech stock industry, but over the past couple of years, the up and coming AI stock picks. Now, this service primarily focuses on medium to high cap stocks. We're not talking like little moonshots here. Occasionally, Jeff might put out a slightly risky bet, but we're talking sort of more AI stocks that are medium to high cap. So they're not going to give you sleepless nights. They're safer bets, but they're over, 4, 6, 12, 24 months. They're going to give you returns of 50, 70, 100% or more depending on the stock. So they're safer mid-high cap stock picks, which is perfect for me. And at the end of the day, well, in my opinion, the AI industry is going to be the dominant sort of tech, it's going to be the dominant industry in the world. Tens, if not hundreds of billions are being plowed into it. So I think over the next couple of years, it's only going to boom. And also, Elon's just released his robo-taxi in America, and he's about to release his physical AI robot in July. The name of it is it's the Optimus robot, I do believe, and that's being released in July. The Optimus robot is going to create a $25 trillion industry, and basically Jeff is giving you a stock pick of how to basically get exposure to the physical AI industry in this very robot. So it's a brilliant service. So let me just talk you through the service and kind of what you get. So one of the first things you get is the monthly newsletter. It's called the Near Future Report. In that report, it's usually about a 45-minute read, and you access it either with an app or you log on to the members website. And in this report, Jeff will give you a rundown of what's happening in the market, and he'll go deep into sort of like a theme. There's usually one theme a month, and then he'll give you a stock pick at the end of that newsletter. Very insightful. It basically keeps you at the very forefront of what's happening in the AI stock and tech industry. And it just primes you up every month. It just gives you an opportunity every month if you want to invest your money in that pick. And also he gives you stock advisory alerts. So if there's a stock he's recommending people buy, he'll give you, if there's a sell alert, you'll basically get that as well. So that's one of the main things you get. Now, my favourite part of the service are the special reports. There's a whole library of special reports. There's dozens of them. But basically, over the past year, Jeff has really gone heavy down the AI stock route. No surprise, because AI is booming. And like I said at the beginning of the video, it's going to be the dominant industry over the next couple of years. So there's a whole bank of reports on AI stock picks. The recent one that Jeff has just released is basically called Elon Musk's 25,000% secret weapon. And this is all about to do how to capitalize of Elon Musk's release of his physical AI Optimus robot, which is going to bring AI out of digital into the physical world. And basically that robot is expected to be released around late July. And in this report, he gives you a full rundown of how that robot's been developed and basically the opportunity to invest in this robot and the physical AI industry. And I think with this, you could potentially make massive gains. So this is why I love these special reports, because they go heavy in on a particular theme and a particular stock, and you get really high quality stock picks of how you can invest in these AI stocks. I love them. One of the probably my favorite part of the service. Now the next thing you get are all the open positions, all of the stock pick positions. So you know what's available if you want to buy it. And the final part of the service is basically how to invest like a world-class investor. And that is basically everything you get with the service. Now, in terms of how the service is generally performing, the service was actually relaunched last year. I think it was relaunched in September. And since then, Jeff's stock picks are doing really well. I don't know the exact stats of the returns across all stocks, but I do believe it's over. I think it's over about 100% off the top of my head. And since the service was relaunched with all of the AI stock picks, I've made some really good returns. My returns are probably around about 100% ROI as well. And I've still got many of the investments with Jeff's stock picks, because I think the true gains are going to be happening really in between now and sort of heading towards 2030. So yeah, basically the really solid returns. And like I say, the picks Jeff gives you, they're not sort of like micro cap moonshots. Basically Jeff, he's investing more in the infrastructure of the AI industry, because without basically AI data centers, the chips, the companies that are supplying the power, the cooling systems, and everything in between, the servers, AI isn't going to operate. Sure, there's going to be many unicorns that are going to crop up, but really the biggest winner is really going to be the infrastructure that's making this happen. And also one of the stock picks that Jeff released, I forgot to tell you actually, was basically Elon Musk. Jeff believes Elon Musk is going to float his SpaceX company, and what a lot of people don't know is SpaceX actually is a hold, controls Starlink. Starlink is Musk's global internet service. Basically, Musk, by the end of this year, he'll have 10,000 Starlink satellites in space, which means he'll get huge global coverage. And I think eventually Starlink will be the #1 global internet service provider with pretty much no competition. It's all driven by obviously satellites, so it's going to be very efficient. And Starlink's going to be the main service that's going to connect all of the AI on the planet. So Jeff tells you how to invest in Starlink before it goes through its IPO, which Jeff believes is going to happen any month now. So huge amounts of opportunity to basically invest in huge AI companies, many of Musk's companies, and the upcoming physical AI boom. I love this service. I think it's the #1 service, AI stock picking service. I actually rate this service 4.5 out of 5. It's given me some great returns. I love it. And I think if you're interested in tech and AI stocks, and investing, there's no better service to use in my opinion. You're not overwhelmed with content. Jeff goes into great detail about all of the stock picks, and it's just a fantastic service in my opinion. So yeah, that's why I think Jeff Brown's AI stock picking service near future report is the best one out there. I've tried many of them. This is by far the best in my opinion. If you want to give Jeff Brown's near future report a go, I'll leave a link in the comment description below. You get a 60-day money back guarantee, so if you join and you don't like it, you can get your money back within 60 days. And I do believe the price for the service at the moment, I think it's around, about off the top of my head, is about $175, which locks your membership in for a whole year. Like I said, if you try it and you don't like it, within the first 60 days you can get your money back. So if you want to join, comment in the link and there'll be a link in the comments and description below for you to join, but no pressure to do so whatsoever. Completely up to you. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.